Hello, I'm 𝗜𝗜𝗔𝗦, Managing Director at IIAS School of Management. If you are passionate about hospitality and are eager to explore the global opportunities, our career in hotel management might be perfect for you. At IIAS, we offer a comprehensive hotel management program that equips you with the skills and knowledge needed to excel in the hospitality industry. From front office operations to food and beverage management, and even culinary, our curriculum is designed to prepare you for a dynamic career in the hospitality services. Graduates of our program have gone on to work in 5-star hotels, resorts, airlines, cruise lines, hospitals, and even banks. So, if you want to build a career in any industry or even start your own business, hospitality is the perfect gateway for a successful career. Join us today at IIAS School of Management for a successful career in hotel management and onwards. Thank you.